I live on a wooded lot, so we don't have any street lights, nothing but trees in every direction. And for years, my go-to at night was walking around flipping on every exterior floodlight on the house, and I don't have that many. So here is something that has earned its keep at my house. The AKISOng rechargeable spotlight flashlight. After about 4 months of it living by my back door, I don't have to do that walk anymore. I just grab this thing. Quick transparency note up front because I want you to trust what I'm about to tell you. AKISOng sent me this light for free to test, and that does not change a word of this review. I've had it for 4 months. My family and I have actually used it, and if it had let me down, I would definitely tell you that too. So here's what actually won me over. I don't know if this is actually 18,000 lumens. All I know is that it is the brightest light I have ever owned. The head rotates from a wide flood to a tight spotlight beam, rated out to about 1,000 meters. So on my property, that means I can stand on the porch and actually see past the tree line instead of just lighting up the first 20 feet of my yard. The battery life is the part that surprised me the most. There is a 20,800 milliamp per hour pack inside, and AKISOng rates it at over 22 hours just on low. So 4 months in on the kind of casual grab it when I need to use it that most of us actually do, I have barely had to charge this thing. It also doubles as a USB power bank, so if the power ever goes out, this AKISOng light is lighting up the yard and charging my phone at the same time. So there's a built-in LCD screen that shows the exact battery percentage, which sounds small until you're the person tired of guessing whether a flashlight is about to die on you. There's also a separate side light. It's soft and white for those small moments that you don't want to blind your kids or you need a softer reading light. It comes with a tripod mount too, so during a storm or anything hands-free, this AKISOng unit can stand on its own instead of me holding it the whole time. Build-wise, this thing is aluminum, and it has a Lotus-style bezel on the front that doubles as a glass breaker, so this isn't some delicate or flimsy light. Compared to just running my exterior floodlights, the AKISOng wins on two fronts. I'm not walking the perimeter of the house, flipping on switches, and it goes exactly where I point it instead of lighting a fixed zone. So compared to a typical rechargeable spotlight that I've handled before, most of those tap out after a couple of hours. This one's battery capacity is genuinely in a different category. A couple small things. Zoomed all the way into spotlight mode, the beam is not a perfectly round circle. It's kind of a rectangular LED grid. That doesn't bother me in practice, but it's worth knowing if you're picturing a perfect round beam. And at 3.4 pounds, it is not a pocket light. This is a grab it and go light, not something you're clipping to your belt all day because it has some definite heft. If you're anything like me, living somewhere genuinely dark, often outdoors after sundown, or you're just wanting something solid on hand if the power goes out, this has definitely earned a permanent spot in your household. 4 months in, it is better than I expected, and it hasn't given me a single real problem. So if you want one heavy-duty light, the AKISOng Spotlight is worth a look. If anything I have said about this light today has you interested in checking it out for yourself, I'm going to put the link for this one down in the description below.